Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me. Of course, for you. Today, let me introduce you the Omiodo portable monitor for laptop. Full HD 15.6 inches with a resolution of 1080p and ultra slim USB-C and HDMI external second screen for the laptops. Not only for laptops, of course. It's good for travel monitoring. A dual speaker screen extended for the personal computer, for the Mac, for the phone, for the PlayStation, for the Xbox, and of course for the Switch and others devices out there with Phaser VESA standard, so you can assemble it to a wall. No problem. Weighing only 1.4 pounds, this incredible slim travel monitor slips right into your laptop bag. Effortlessly extend your workspace anywhere, making it perfect for portable laptop screen for working from the coffee shop, hotels, or client offices. And we have stunning 15.6 inches FHD IPS display. We immerse ourselves in vibrant, crystal clear visuals. The advantage of our full HD screen supports gives us the benefit of sharp text for spreadsheets and rich, true-to-life colors for design and movies. A premium features that makes this external monitor for laptop a joy to use all day. And universal plug and play compatibility. It connects to almost any device out there because this portable laptop monitor connects to any device, as I will show you. Okay? Equipped with a versatile USB-C and an HDMI port, it is compatible with the Windows personal computers. It's compatible with a Mac, compatible with a PlayStation, and compatible with an Xbox. This making it the ultimate laptop extract screen for both work and play. Device without a full features USB-C port may require an additional USB-A to USB cable for the power, of course. But the ultimate mobile offers comes here. We double our efficiency without being chained to a desk. This laptop screen extended provides seamless multitasking for professionals, students, and gamers who need to stay productive while on the move. And you can see it makes a good job and an easy job. Omiodo gives us a 15.6 inches portable monitor with an integrated stand with IPS full viewing angle, 60 Hz. It's compatible with all devices out there. 1080p, 178 degrees IPS, 1000:1 contrast, and low blue light, 60 Hz, 16:9 screen. You see, wow, built-in dual speakers. That means the monitor features two stereo speakers deliver the high-quality stereo sound for an enhanced audio experience, and 3.5mm audio jack brings us joy and a good feeling. That's Plug and Play, equipped with a dual USB-C, that's USB 3.1 ports, and a mini HDMI interface. It's convenient to connect to devices around the world with all what we need. Easy peasy operating. This brings us this portable monitor for a lot of possibilities in FHD 15.6 inches. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun-dun.